I finally received the Hivemapper. It took me about 4 months to get this. So if you open inside, we have the safety pamphlet. Then we have the 12-volt auxiliary cable. This is a dash cam. And finally, we have the mount. Now, I watched a video on YouTube where a guy said that he was making about $600 a week from this device. So we're going to find out how, if this is possible. You basically install the Hivemapper in your car as you drive. It takes pictures of the road, you upload it to the network, and you get paid for it. As simple as this. This belongs to the class of DPIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. I'm not going to say much. I'll just go straight to show you guys how to install this in your car. So the first thing you do is to actually scan this barcode on the Hivemapper pack. This basically gives you the installation process, and it has a bunch of videos you can actually watch on how to mount, install, and everything you need to do to set up the Hivemapper. Now, beside this device that I have here, there are 2 other things you need. You need the Hivemapper app. You also need your Phantom wallet. The app you can find in your App Store or Google Play Store. The Phantom wallet is also in your App Store or your Google Play Store. The Phantom wallet is the wallet for the Solana ecosystem. You're going to install it on your phone and connect it to the Hivemapper. I will show you all this. Let's start with mounting the Hivemapper. Now, the first thing to do is to install the mount. You can mount it here, and this is going to be this way, or you install the mount up here. I initially installed it up here, but it keeps falling off. So I think it's best to install it here, especially if you stay in regions like Africa that is definitely really hot. Then another way to do it is to mount it at the back here, or like this, to face the back this way, or you mount it to face this way, this window, right, to map outside. Now, what some people do is to have 2 dash cam like this, one at the front, mapping the front, and one mapping the back. So let's go ahead and install the dash cam. Okay, this is installed. The next thing is to install the auxiliary cable. So this is my 12-volt box. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the auxiliary cable. Now, once plugged in, you give it a few minutes, the lights should come on. This light, blue light, strong blue light, shows that the device is on. This one is for the GPS, and this one shows that it is mapping. In other words, it's actually taking record of the road. Once it has, the light is bright blue, then it is actually mapping. So the 3 lights are on, it has actually started mapping. So next thing we'll do is to open the app and connect our dash cam. It's going to automatically detect the dash cam and you connect. You have to make sure that you're not seeing your dashboard, but it's seeing just the road. I'll go ahead and adjust this to just map only the road. So that is for the dash cam. Then if you look at the next tab on the menu, this is the location where you are and places you can map, right? And this box is just for you to give a notification when there is like a hold up or roadblock or things like that. Then the next tab is where you connect your wallet and how much you've earned from the token so far. Like I've entered 200 tokens so far, and here is where you have your settings. Now, if you look at the top menu, you have the numbers at the left, 4196, and the number of images that's captured. Then when you capture the images, then it transfers it to my phone, which is like 0. Then it now transferred to the server, the Hivemapper server, which is 673. So let's take this for a spin. There are other things you can set up as you go. Now you can see this hand here. It's simply for the personal areas or personal location you don't want to map. Obviously, you don't want this to map into your compound or your house. So once your hand is off there, it's not going to map that zone. So you can actually add it to your personal zone. And this is the dark mode if you want that. So you can see from the map that you have shades of pink line. The deeper the pink line, it means that that area has been mapped recently by another driver. The fainter the pink line, it means that it's been mapped. When there's no pink line at all, it means that it has not been mapped at all. So you earn more money mapping an area with a fainter or no pink line than an area with a deeper pink line. Just like this one I'm entering now, I'm going to earn more money by mapping this faint pink line. When you're mapping and you see a deep blue line, it actually shows that you have mapped that area. So this blue line I'm seeing here is just simply showing that I've mapped that area. So after mapping and you do the upload, the next day you're driving or the next period you're driving in that area, you will see it has a thick blue line, simply showing that you yourself have mapped that particular area. So guys, this is simply how you make use of the Hivemapper. If you want to purchase on Hivemapper, I'll leave links in the description for you to do so. And like I said in the beginning, this is a DPIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network. So that is how to install and use the Hivemapper. It's pretty simple. I'll give you guys more updates on my earnings to see maybe after some time, so you can see how much I've earned from the Hivemapper. Now, you should stay tuned to this channel, subscribe if you've not, because the next thing I want to show you is this device. This is also a mining device. It's called a SolarX. I'll be installing it. It's using the power of the sun to earn your cryptocurrencies. Expect this video soon, and I will see you in that video.